Hi, everyone! This video will show you how to fix Diskpart clean not working in 4 ways. Fix 1. Run CHKDSK. Type CMD in the search bar to locate command prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as administrator. Type the on-screen command and hit Enter to check and fix the error it finds. Don't forget to replace H with the drive letter of your target drive. After the process is done, quit command prompt. Fix 2. Remove read-only attribute. Press Win and R to open the Run dialog. Type CMD and hit Enter to open command prompt. In the command window, type Diskpart and hit Enter. Type list disk and hit Enter to show a list of disks on your computer. According to the storage size listed, you can figure out which one is your target disk. Type Select Disk 2 and hit Enter. Don't forget to replace 2 with the disk number of your problematic drive. Type attributes disk clear read-only and hit Enter. Fix 3. Modify registry keys. Press Win and R to launch the Run dialog. Type regedit.x and hit Enter to open Registry Editor. Navigate to HKEY, Local, Machine, System, Current Control Set, Control, Storage Device Policies. Double-click on the Write Protection key to change its value to 0. Close Registry Editor and restart your computer. Fix 4. Wipe the drive. Launch Mini-Tool Partition Wizard. In the right pane, select the disk you need to wipe. In the left pane, hit Wipe Disk. Select one wiping method and hit OK. Now, you can preview the wipe disk status. If that is what you want, hit Apply and yes, wait for the process to complete. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.